What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video.
It's not another video, we're just here.
We just finished the video. Shut the f up, Greg. So in this video, you're gonna see us primer everything. We're gonna shut the f up. We didn't do it yet. Okay, we already did everything, but I'm barely making the intro right now to the video. But yeah, you're gonna see us primer everything down, like the trunk, the roof, all the sanded parts and shit. So without further ado, let's get to the video. All right, guys. So we're gonna start off the primer process by taking the fenders, hood. We're gonna set it over there so we can start painting in the grass while we still have some daylight. Armand and them are taking the bumpers, so I can primer that too. So they're taking all that over there. I'm just figuring out what other parts we need to primer up. We also have to primer this trunk right here as well. So we're masking up the roof real quick. Cousin Georgie's helping me. What's up? Okay, this roof is all taped up and ready to get primered. We gotta take the hood off. Yeah. So let's take the hood off and set it over there real quick. So it's kind of dark outside. I don't know if you guys can tell that well, but we're taping up all the door jambs, or the jambs that we had painted earlier, so we don't get any primer on them. You can see Armand taping up the sides of the hood right there. But yeah, we got to cover all this up and then we'll get to primering. So here's the primer that we got. I'm gonna be painting it with an actual spray gun, as you guys can tell. Here's the hardener for the primer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and start mixing up the primer. So we just mixed up all the paint, as you guys just saw. Now we're just doing some test hits. About to start spraying right now. It's all finishing up the trunk right now. So far it's looking good. The top got one coat already. We'll probably go one more coat on that, and then we still got to do all the parts outside. Is it looking good? Is it looking good?
Yeah, covered everything.
So far so good.
All the knickknacks are gone.
We got the third coat of the primer. No.
Yep.
Todd putting in that work.
You know.
Stay strapped. You excited for the build?
Oh yeah.
Can't see you.
Greg's here.
Hey man.
Greg's a
Go f yourself.
We just finished up the primer. Everything looks good now.
Yep. Goes by the freaking door. There's a glass basically for the glass door. Yeah. You looked at it? Guys? There's like a 500-pound bear outside. We're like, alright.
But yeah, like I said, we got everything done. Roof is all done. Trunk is all done. Looks good. Looks really good, actually. All right, we're just gonna clean everything up. We're gonna try to fit everything from outside over there. We gotta fit everything into the garage because we cannot leave it outside. So yeah, we're gonna figure out how to fit everything and I'll get back to you guys. So this is what we're doing on our free time. It's not even starting. It is? Oh shit.
You want a high paper or low paper?
So we decided to
Dog, can I eat my taco, please?
Paint Mahed's forehead.
No, I'm filling
Oh, that shit's sick. Turn it out.
Do you have the thing? You have the paint?
Yo,
There's no
this is about to be a nice
I have black
lineup right here.
There we go.
Has a oven on the front.
Fresh, boy. Look at that shit. Fresh. I like your cut, G.
This is retarded, dog. I'm taking it all off.
So we're gonna go ahead and move the car a little bit more this way to the right so we can fit all the parts on the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and peel off all this masking tape so it doesn't get stuck for too long.
I'm a he, she, they, and out.
Mahed, what are your pronouns? What are your
They,
pronouns?
them,
Ginormous,
Boss.
large, enormous. Oh. Hey, watch out, bro. I got a light in my hand.
Oh, yeah.
So, hey, what would happen if I shift this trans right now?
Tot will smack the shit out of you.
Todd, what would happen if I shift? Did you say don't? Don't shift it?
We can change it. Or come get mine.
That was very anticlimactic.
I'm not a mechanic, but I'm pretty sure this isn't how it's supposed to be. What are you doing? I'm telling you.
Tot, are you gonna acknowledge what Mahed just said to you?
What did you say? Sometimes I just want to hug you.
Okay, good.
You're so
Alright boys, that's it for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up guys? It's a few days after we got the car primered, or the parts on the car primered. I don't know if I showed you guys the other day, but you probably couldn't see it that well, but let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks. Here's the trunk, it's looking all good. Got the roof right here, everything's primered and ready. Got the hood. Fender right here. This one was the one with that dent right here, and it came out really nice actually. Got the rear bumper. Someone had touched it while it was still wet, but I guess I could get that fixed up, that's no problem. And then we got the front bumper and the other side fender right there. So we're actually gonna be painting the car this coming weekend. Today's a Wednesday, which means we have to get all these primered areas sanded down. So I'm gonna get started on that today. Right now I gotta move these cars out the way so I can push it out and start sanding. Alright, now that I got the car outside, got some black spray paint here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some guide coat on all the primered areas. So now that all the guide coat is on there, I don't know if you guys can tell that well, I'm gonna let it dry for like 5 or 10 minutes and then get the sanding. Since we need to get it sanded up quick, I'm just gonna set it up on time lapse and get everything just completely done in this one time lapse.